Alright guys, with the fg156a sending unit, you have 3 wires coming off of it. You have your power, which is the gray, and you have your ground, which is the black, and then you have your data wire, which is the purple. I'm pretty sure the purple is for information that's going to the like sending unit, this part right here, to the gauge, so you can have like a reference. But yeah, you have black, gray, and purple. Make sure you ground this somewhere close. You want a really good ground. And then your power wire, you're just gonna wire up, you know, however you're gonna wire it. I'm doing a relay, but that's power. And then as far as this goes, if you guys see my other videos, I had the other style connectors on there, the kind that just kind of slide on, you turn it. I was using this one, but I kept noticing everyone else on the internet was using these two. So I called one of my buddies, I called Antoine Hawthorne, and asked him about it. And he just said that this one has too much restriction. Here's your return going right here, boom, straight into the top of the fuel tank, right on the top. So, and you're sucking most of your fuel right here, so it shouldn't really affect what's going on down here, because all your fuel's sucking up through the straw, so through the sock. So, but yeah, that's that. I basically used the hardware that they gave me with the fuel pump, which was these connectors. I thought they were heat shrink. I tried that. If you guys have any questions, of course, just leave them in the comment section. If you want to see more videos, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and carry on with this. But I just want to show you guys that this is the feed, and then this one's the return.